Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the Sims 4 on your phone. No jailbreaker computer needed. Now, Sims Mobile is highly condensed. It's just a mobile game. It's not that fun, but this is the real Sims 4, guys, and it's using cloud-based technology to allow you to play it. This is mirrored over from some computer somewhere. I don't know where, but what I'm trying to get at here is you're just like emulating it or whatever, and you don't need a powered phone because it is just cloud-based. It's running somewhere else. You just got the controls. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it, so let's get right into the tutorial. So if you're using an iPhone, go to Settings, go to General, and make sure Background App Refresh is on. This can be on Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi mobile data. It really doesn't matter, but make sure it's turned on. If it is set to off, this is not going to work. So once you've done that, guys, you're all set. So the next thing we're going to do is go over to battery and make sure that the low power mode is turned off. So let me just go down here. Now you're going to know the low power mode is turned on because your battery percentage is going to be yellow. So make sure the low power mode is turned off. So once you've done that, guys, you're all set. So all we have to do now is go to App Store and make sure that automatic downloads is turned on. Now this should be on by default, but if for some reason, guys, it's turned off, make sure you go ahead and turn it on. And then you want to come here, and this is where we're going to get it. So let me just go ahead and put it in right here. So once you're here, guys, just go to the search bar and type in Sims 4, and then press on it and press download, and it'll get it for you. But remember, it's going to be cloud-based, so it isn't going to be big. I don't want you to be like, why isn't it 1 gigabyte? Like, it's going to be a normal-sized app, and it's going to be all set up for you. So it's really awesome, guys. And I've looked into some other tutorials. This is the only way to get the Sims 4. But it's really neat, guys, and I have looked into, as I said, some other things. This is the only way to play it. If you don't want this, you're going to have to play the crappy Sims Mobile from the App Store. So this is the real game, and it's the full game with all of the nice, like full customization and stuff. So definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself, guys. Get the word out. This is super neat, and I don't think too many people know about this. Cloud-based stuff is usually pretty under the radar, so maybe you don't know about it, so now you do. So yeah, it's really cool, guys, and I encourage you guys to go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out about it. I mean, it works for me. I've had no problems. I'll see you later, and peace out.